In this video, I'll show you how to earn coins instantly. First of all, open the Hamster Kombat in Telegram application. There are different ways to earn coins fastly. The normal way of earning is to tap on the screen. You can also tap with more than one finger as well at the same time. For example, 2 or 3. And even if it's possible for you to tap with 5 fingers, you can go for it and keep tapping on the screen with all your fingers. It adds up to the amount of coins in the same time as was taken before. There's another very effective method, and for that go to the mine option from the bottom. In the PR and team section, play the daily combo game. Earn coins and boost all these things. This will increase your profit per hour. And Hamster Kombat has recently said that profit per hour is more important than the coins, so make sure to boost all this stuff. But there's a tip that you do not spend on boosting more than you earn. Tap on the markets option and then tap on unlock. Here are different opportunities to earn coins instantly. For example, these one are related to YouTube. If you go here and watch a video, you will get a lot of coins as a result. Moreover, you can get daily reward every day, so make sure to claim it on a daily basis. As for now, I have already claimed it. Tap on legal and you will see a lot of stuff. You have to boost everything here too. Then tap on special and you will find some card categories. You have to buy at least one card to enter the special club. It also has a lot of benefits.